Hello, welcome to the second blog. I'm Bob, and this is James here, who's going to show you how Woobius is actually used on a day-to-day basis, this time on a computer screen. So go ahead, James.
Thank you, Bob. So here we are. We're just about to make a drawing issue. I've got on my screen the drawing, the CAD drawing that we've drawn, and we've shown that it's going to be up-revved. So I can now put all this data into Woobius so that the contractors on site know what the latest information is that they should be working to. So I can now create a new issue. I'm going to call it issue 138 because it's the next in my list. Now what I can do is upload some files into this issue. So I'm going to select these ones from my folder 138. Now, what's so good about Woobius is that all the metadata is filled in automatically. So the title of this drawing, the revision numbers being automatically up-revved, and this is formulating a drawing issue sheet that we can then be used to send to the contractors.
Well, it's worth pointing out that this is exactly, see all this information at the top here, you know, the issue name, issue reference, reason for issue, and the construction status, which is sort of over here. All this stuff is specifically what architects need to use and the engineers need to use to coordinate and communicate exactly what this drawing is for and what this whole set of drawings in fact is for. So these are all very construction specific really.
So moving into the final step of the issue procedure, I can now select the people from different organisations who I want to send this information to, and I can also type in a specific message about the issue that I'm generating. So when I hit send email, those drawings have now been issued, and I can see in the history function who I've sent the drawings to, the message that I put in there, and the actual drawings and the revision numbers. And when people download those files, I'll also be able to see in here who's downloaded that data. Now, another thing that's worth showing is that if I say select one of these files, I've got down here all the previous history for that file. So these are all the different times it's been issued, and I can see that this last one was issued in issue number 37, and it was revision number 12. So all this data is very useful for us as architects to make sure, and for contractors to make sure that we're all using the latest information. And that is really a summary of how Woobius is being used in practice.